welcome to today's video. I am so excited because we will be making this beautiful arrowhead dream catcher. You guys voted on Instagram for this week's video and this was the winner. So I'll be showing you guys exactly how to make this, and it's absolutely beautiful, especially for a kid's bedroom because it's nice and safe. This is soft. And yeah, if you guys would like something custom made, just check out the Instagram link over here. And we also have DIY kits which are super fun, so you guys can order those. And let's just jump right into today's video. Please like and subscribe and let's get right into it. So to begin, you guys have two different options. The first is to use a metal hoop and then wrap it in thick yarn. All you have to do is tie a double knot and then wrap it around. Just wrap it around until the hoop's covered, or you can keep it plain and silver. And then what I'm going to be using is this acrylic hoop. You guys can get it off the website in my description box down below. And I'm just going to be using this because I like the little rustic texture, because it's going to match the arrowhead branch that I'm going to be using. And then you guys are just going to have to find a crochet doily which fits into the hoop. You guys can purchase the DIY kits, which makes it a lot easier to source everything. So to add the crochet into the hoop, you can take thin yarn and tie a knot, and then all you're going to have to do is loop the crochet doily through, like loop the string through the hole and then wrap it around and just keep pulling the crochet in. I'm going to be gluing the crochet in because the hot glue gun actually bonds really well to the acrylic. It doesn't bond well with metal, so you can't glue it with metal. You have to use the yarn wrapping technique, but I will just be showing you guys how I do that, just blotting pieces of glue and working my way around. guys have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my other videos on my channel, and I have all the shopping links in the description box down below, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!
From up here